We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MAThlab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to a capstone project. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. So in today's assignment, we will discuss MOS22 XL PROJ1 courses. We just increase the size and change its color, and here is project description, so we have to increase that one and change its color. So we will discuss this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks, but before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignment. So in today assignment we have 20 question. We have just 20 question in grade report. So we will solve this assignment step by step and you may follow me and you will get 100% marks. So let me start today's assignment step by step. In this project you will create and manage worksheet and workbook meeting objective 1.1 to 1.5 of Excel MOS associate exam. To complete the project, you will import data into workbooks 1.1, navigate with 1.2, then format the workbook and workbook 1.3, customize the options and views the worksheets and workbook 1.4, and configure content for collaboration 1.5. Note, this project will create a PC user since most exam is completed in PC user environment. So that was just simply description about the project, and after reading description project we get idea that what we have in today project. Okay, so let me start this assignment step by step. Steps to perform, here is instruction. So first one, start Excel, download and open the file name, this one that we have already downloaded from Pearson. So double click on there, we call that a solution file. Okay, it's just getting opening. Then now after solving question number 1, now moving toward question number 2. On the courses sheet, now we have to move toward courses sheet. Then import and download text file, this one. Now load existing sheet in cell E5, then close and the query connection pane, and then convert the table into normal. Okay, first we have to move toward courses worksheet, then download text file. Okay, txt file to cell E5. First we have to select there E5, then click on data, get from text, then text file. Okay, now we have to move toward that file. Where is that one? Capstone, this one. Okay, then now we have to load existing worksheet cell E5. Okay, now load to existing worksheet cell E5, simply press OK, so that will be done. Then convert the table to normal range. Now we have to convert this table to normal range. Okay. Then normally then delete row 5 to 75. Convert table to normal range and then delete a row 5 to and 75. Okay, row 5, this one, delete that one, then delete a row 75. Where is a 75? This one. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2, we just move toward courses worksheet, and there we have to import download text file MOS22 XL Project1 text file, load the data to existing worksheet cell E5, then close the queries connection pane, then convert the table to normal range, and then delete row 5 and 75. And we have done, and we got 6 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 3. In the right header, insert a sheet name. Okay, now we have to move toward page load, and here is header. Okay, in right header we have to insert a sheet name. Right header is there, and we have to insert a sheet file name, and here is sheet name. Okay, then right footer, insert page number. Okay, then we have to in footer, and in a right footer we have to in what we have to in there, we have to in page number. Insert page number, then press ok. Okay, then return to normal view. Yes, we have returned, and we earn 4 marks from there. So in question number 3, we have to in a right header insert a sheet name, then in a right footer we have to insert page number, then return to normal view, and we have earned 4 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 4, create a new workbook using expenses report template. Now we have to create a new workbook using the expenses report template with orange formatting. So we have to create a new workbook using expenses report template. File, new template. Now here we have to select expenses report template. This one, okay. Then move expenses report worksheet to last first courses file. Then move report sheet tab after courses sheet. Now we have to move this, right click, move this to there, and move to the, we have to check, move this one there, and then move expenses report sheet tab after. So we have to put that, move to after this, press ok. So that will done. We have to move that there. Okay, then so question number 2 is done. In question number 2, we have to create a new workbook using expenses report template with orange formatting. Then move the expenses report worksheet to the open last first MOS file name. Then move expenses report sheet tab after courses sheet. We have done that one. So question number 4 is done, and we have earned 2 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 5. On the expenses report worksheet, in a normal view, create a hyperlink. Now we have to convert that into normal view, and there is normal view. Okay, now create a hyperlink to text expenses report to tax expenses to report this one. Okay, where is expenses tax? Expenses report tax. Okay, here we have to first we have to select this one. Then there we have to create a hyperlink into a website. We just copy this one, then or right click, insert link, web page, and we have to in that web link there. Okay, then in next part create a copy of expenses report sheet. Okay, now we have to create a copy of expenses report worksheet. Then hide expenses report to sheet tab. Now we have to right click, hide. Then rename the expenses report sheet tab as expenses. Expenses, press enter. Then remove the hyperlink in expenses sheet. Now we have to remove hyperlink in expenses sheet, or right click, then remove hyperlink. Then so question number 5 is done, and we have earned 5 marks from there. So in question number 5, on the expenses report worksheet, in a normal view we have to create a hyperlink to text expenses report using web address, this one. Then create a copy of expenses report sheet, then hide expenses report to sheet tab, then rename expenses report sheet tab as expenses, then remove hyperlink in expenses sheet, and we got 8 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 6, change the theme color of workbook to integral. Now we have to change the theme color to integral. So click on page layout, here is theme, and we have to in integral there. Where is integral? This one. Yes. Then create a copy of courses sheet. Now we have to create a copy of course sheet. Right click, move, create a copy. Then move sheet tab to the end. Now we have to move that sheet to the end here. Then rename the tabs formula and change the tab color to jQuery Ascent1. We just copy the name from here, then double click, paste the name. After changing the name, then we have to change the color to jQuery Ascent1, or right click, tab color, and find where is jQuery Ascent1, this one. So question number 7 is done, and we have earned 7 marks from there. So in question number 6, we have to change the theme color of workbook to integral, then create a copy of courses worksheet and move the sheet tab to the end. Then rename the tab formulas and change the tab color to turquoise Ascent1, and we have earned 7 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 8. On the formulas worksheet, turn on show formulas, then change the magnification of formulas worksheet to 90%, and in this way we will earn 5 marks from there. So in question number 8, on the formulas worksheet, set the scalings into page 1, then width and only range A1 to A20 F25 print, and we will earn 4 marks from there. Same way we will solve other parts also. So you may see we have just 18 to 19 question in graded part. Out of 18 to 19 we have done first 9 to 10 question in today assignment. So in today assignment we have done almost 50% assignment in today video. The name of today assignment is MOS22 XL Project 1 Courses. In start we just discussed project description. After that, then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then we have solved question number 2 where we have to move toward courses worksheet, and there we have to import the data from the supporting files. After getting that data, then we have to delete row 5 and row 75. Then move toward question number 3, and we have solved question number 3 where we have to work on header and footer. Then we have to move toward question number 4 where we have to solve question number 4 to create a copy of expenses report template. Okay, then we work again in that way. Then on question number 5 we have to work on expenses report worksheet, and we have solved that one and we earn 8 marks from there. Then question number 6, 7, 8. So we have solved first 8 to 9 question in today video, mean almost 50% assignment is done from my side in today video. Remember that in today video we have discussed most Excel project 1 courses. We have solved this assignment, but we have solved almost half of assignment. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. So you may contact me. I'm available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes, price will be reasonable, and result will be 100%. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, a midterm exam, a final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me, you may simply text me. I'm available, I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. So in today assignment, today video we have discussed almost 50% assignment. The name of assignment is MOS22 XL project courses. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my site. Take care, bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.